Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do some self-massage of the shoulder area. We'll start with some lotion. Start working on the traps first, but just before that we'll just do a quick stretch / warm up. Like so. Just rotating backwards and forwards and up and down. You slide the opposite hand to one trap and pull forward, covering the top right to the bottom. Just for a better view. When we get to this point, just above the bone, we'll find a sort of a pit. We just want to focus more time on that. Deep pressure with very small circular motions, like so. Now we're going to target the front, mid and rear delts. So we're going to start with the front. We'll find that the front delt closely connects to your pec muscles. So we're sort of just going to work a little bit on the side of the pecs when we're working on the front delts as well. So I'm just using 3 fingers, using more of the tip of the fingers and going deep and circular. You can spend about 1 minute for each stroke. Now we're just going to target the mid delt, same thing, in the same part of the body. If we find it a bit difficult, we can just place our arm on the opposite shoulder and target it like this. So we target the rear delts. You can just use this pulling motion back to front. And the rear deltoids joins closely to triceps. So essentially we're working a bit on the triceps as well. Just repeat the same on the other side. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel.